ETNB stock analysis and ETNB stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Especially looking at 89 bio stock, it's already $10.41. This is real solid, man. Like, kind of confusing, but from my context that I've done 42,000 videos over 5 years, documented them all, you know, it's taken me tens of thousands of dollars investing courses and mentors to figure this stuff out. But I mean, I like how we shifted with a lot of power, and yeah, it's sort of pumped down, mitigate the perfect demand zone. And going into this next week, I'm looking for more longs, but I really doubt that I'll be getting involved. Well, if it does correct, you know, and whatnot, but other than that, like randomly getting involved and trying to force myself in, it's not going to be happening, because, you know, out there's there's other tickers that you don't even have to do anything. It's just great setup. You take it, but not financial advice. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.